Ubuholi bukazwelonke eqenjini i-IFP busiguqulile isinqumo sokumisa kwesigungu esiphezulu sesifundazwe i-Gauteng. Lesigungu sesifundazwe kanye namakhansela omkhandlu dolobha i-Goli samiswa ngemuva kokushaya indiva umyalelo wesigungu esiphezulu uthi abaphume emhlanganweni nomkhandlu okwakuvotela kuwona USihlalo bamakomiti omkhandlu. uBonginkosi Dlamini uthi amakhansela omkhandlu waseGoli ajeziswa yiqembu kodwa ke ukumiswa kwawo kwahoxiswa.
I'm saying there was a constitutional instruction from the Secretary General to the councillors of the City of Johannesburg. In their confusion, they were not able to carry out that law, but eventually they did. And the Secretary General, in his right as the Secretary General, suspended those councillors and the PEC. And when the matter was discussed in the National Executive Committee, the suspension of councillors was upheld but suspended.
uDlamini naye uthi i-IFP eGauteng isazibophezela ukusebenzisana ne-DA komasipala besifundazwe eGauteng.
The IFP is still committed in the arrangement with the DA in Ekurhuleni in Johannesburg.
I-IFP kulindele ukuthi ibambe ingqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi ngonyaka ozayo kanti abanye sebevele basembangweni wesikhundla sokwengamela iqembu nekuyisikhundla esiphethe uVelenkosini Hlabisa.
All I know is that we have elected President Hlabisa in 2019 and he must finish his term, and we must not start a new culture in the party where leaders don't finish terms. We have seen what has happened in the ruling party.
Ibonakala iba maqembu ngaphakathi i-IFP njengoba kunohlaka olubizwa nge-Triple K kanti olunye uhlaka lubizwa nge-AU. Kubonakala kunabanye ke ababonakala befuna ukusungula olunye uhlaka lwesithathu.